captains. We look forward to the contribution and leadership in fostering a positive environment in this youth. Let us all support them in their journey ahead. Now, I would like to
ta